Our super-fast engineers are ready to help you make the switch, and you can keep your current broadband until ours is installed, so you're never without the internet.
Hi, I'm Richard Branson. Virgin Media customers not only have the fastest broadband in the UK, they can also get our fastest ever wireless broadband too. And what's more, I'm doubling those speeds.
To find out when your broadband speed will be doubled, ask Richard online.
Virgin Media, keep up. Hi, I'm Richard Branson. And I'm here to tell you Virgin Media customers about your broadband. It is, in fact, the fastest in the UK. And now I'm going to double your speeds. Which makes sense, because as you all know, I, Richard Branson, I'm famous for being fast.
Mr. Branson, your spaceship is ready for blastoff.
I'll be right out.
To find out when your broadband speed will be doubled, ask Richard online.
Virgin Media, keep up.
This is Virgin Media's super-fast fibre optic broadband, and this is regular broadband, out of shape. These people are about to download a film. Let's see which broadband is quicker. I wonder. Richard's turned up. They're off. Well, one of them's off, the other is, according to my legal team, 4 times slower. And there we have it, film downloaded. He's a big lad, isn't he? Still going. Oh dear. Search Challenge Your Broadband today. This is Virgin Media's super fast fibre optic broadband. And this is regular broadband, late as usual. Virgin Media handling 4 devices online at once. Very impressive. Richard's over the moon. This is proving a pinch more difficult for regular broadband. Maxing, relaxing, struggling. Richard's making other plans. They can't. Yep, nothing doing. Search Challenge Your Broadband today.
This is no ordinary household. Oh no, it's a Virgin Media household, which means everyone has the power to do what they love. Right, Usain?
Yeah, man. I can watch my favorite team whenever I want. I can destroy my enemies in high definition. I can chat to my girlfriends all at the same time. And I can watch my favorite athlete wherever I want.
Awkward. With Virgin Media, everyone can experience the power of our network. Search Power of Our Network today.